It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Today guys, I thought I'd do a little bit of a different video for you all. I thought I'd jump in front of the camera and I would share with you a beautiful, huge Christmas home decor haul. Now, a little backstory guys, I've shared with you before that I live in a country town where I have to travel to go to certain stores. Now, for example, TK Maxx, it's a 2.5 hour drive. My local Kmart's were an hour to 2.5 hour drive, depending on where I was going. But the happiest day ever, guys, was I recently found out there was a Kmart coming to my town, and the amount of kilometres I have done to go and visit Kmart, where my Sydney friends can just jump in their car and they can be in a local Kmart in 5 to 10 minutes. But so I was really excited about this and so appreciative that it came to my town. So I went in and I scheduled the day that it was going to open, and as soon as I walked in, I was surrounded by beautiful Christmas decor. And here in Australia, guys, Kmart is a really affordable store for everything. Not just home decor, with your clothing. You know, you could deck out your whole house in Kmart. My son's just about to move out of home. You know, he's starting out. Everything from your kettles to your toasters, all that sort of stuff is definitely the perfect spot to shop at. So I went into Kmart that day. There was people everywhere. It was honestly, it was like Christmas. And it was so funny. I was texting my husband that, you know, this is the happiest day of my life. And he was just texting back with, you know, the rolled-eyed emoji. But I also text back that, you know, other than the happiest day of my life, than marrying him and having our children. But yes, very excited for Kmart. So I'm just going to jump right in and show you everything I got. Now I'm going to start off first of all with beads. Now guys, these beads, you know, like the garland beads, they're very boho. When these first come out here in Australia, you could pay anywhere between $60 and $80 for a set of beads. And Kmart has done it again, guys. They've brought out 2 styles. Now this is the decorative beads that like you put in a bowl or around books on your coffee tables. These were just $8. Now they also brought out the bead garlands. Now you could put these around your Christmas tree if you're going very boho. Now these were just $5 each, guys. And I actually picked up 4 of these because I do want to put them on my tree. I actually have my old Christmas tree. You would have seen after you, when you watch this video, you would have seen my Decorate With Me for Christmas on my Christmas tree, which is blush pink. It's my new Christmas tree that I picked up from Spotlight. And I still have my old Christmas tree, which is white. So I'm thinking I'm going to do another Decorate With Me with my old Christmas tree and do a very boho rustic theme on that one and use these beads. So if you're after beads that are so affordable, Kmart's got these for just $5 each. Now, of course, I had to look at all their decorations, and I really, truly loved these glam ones. They're full of gold glitter. Now, there's also silver ones as well, and these were just $3 each. And I picked up 2 of those. Now, I think that would look really good as well with like the boho garland with some gold, giving it some glam accents as well as the beads. And then I came across the cutest gnomes, guys. Now, I really love decorating my 2-tiered trays every season. So I'm always on the hunt for small things to put in those 2-tiered trays. And they brought out these adorable mini gnomes. Aren't they the cutest? They were just $2. $2, guys. So I got a little pair of these. Now there was different colours as well. There were more traditional colours if that's what you're into, but these ones I thought were really cute and they were very neutral. So just $2 for the cute little gnomes. Now sticking with the gnome theme, they had so many cute gnomes. They had big Santas, all really affordable. So I had to pick him up as well. I love, he was grey as well. He was just $20, guys. He's got his little furry pom-pom on his hat. And I actually have a larger gnome that I got last year. It's really quite tall, that I picked up from Pillow Talk, and it's blush pink. So I'm going to stand this one next to him so I can have different visual heights when it comes to my cute little gnomes. Then there was also a lot of, definitely a lot of lights. If you're looking for lights that you're going to decorate your tree with or outside and so forth, I definitely recommend you check out Kmart. They had these cute little battery operated candle lights. And I thought they were super cute. They're just battery operated, and I can't remember how much these were. They were either $3 or $5. And I thought they'd look really cute on my Christmas tablescape. Then I also got this cute little lighted gingerbread house. And of course it's blush pink, and it's black battery operated and does light up. So I was thinking of doing some sort of vignette on my kitchen island for that. So that was super cute. Now sticking with blush pink theme again, you're going to see a lot of pink, guys. I'll probably say that a lot. I needed a new phone case, $5 in blush pink. Now Kmart also have the cutest slippers, guys. If you're after slippers, I love anything that is fluffy slippers. So how adorable were these, guys, these little pink ones. And they had the little love hearts on them as well. Now these were, I've took the tag off, I think. Yes, I'm pretty sure these were $8. So these are definitely something to look at as well if you like that sort of fake fur sort of look. Very affordable. Now, I do a lot of DIYs, and I'm really excited that I'll be sharing some more DIYs with you in the next couple of weeks. I've been doing without giving too much away, I'm doing a Chanel Christmas tree. It's either going to be Chanel or Decor. I'm not really sure yet, but I do tend to use a lot of DIY items to create these items for you. So I always love looking at what they've got in their craft section, and these are beautiful stickers. They're the alphabet gold stickers, and they're just $5, and I will be using that in that Chanel Christmas DIY. Then I also love anything that's battery operated. I really love how when you put something on that's got lights in it, it really gives that warm and cozy atmosphere in your house. So I loved this rustic joy sign. Now it is battery operated and it does light up. And my plan is that I'll be using this on my entryway table. I'm really going for a rustic blush pink theme in my entryway. So I'll be sharing that with you when I do a decorate with me for that. Now sticking with that as well, these will also go on my entryway table. These beautiful white, these are tin Christmas trees. They've got that rustic look about them, and they were only $10, guys. So I got a pair of these, and they will also go on my entryway table. And then next to these, because I love doing things with visual heights, they had the most adorable little blush pink angels, guys. Look at her, isn't she the most prettiest ever? And the best part of all, $5. $5 and $10. And I'm going to do some visual heights and do some sort of little grouping together on my entryway. So I love how it's got a little star on top, and she's got little silver angel wings, and she's got the little pink fur. $5. You can't beat Kmart for prices. Now, also, I'll just put this down. Kmart have some really cute and beautiful candles out at the moment. I really loved this one, guys. It's gold glitter at the bottom. It's like that ombre effect. And it was $5. It reminds me of something that my overseas friends would get at Z Gallery. And then I love using their wax melts, and every year they bring out the salted caramel, and it makes your house smell so pretty, guys. These were like $2 each. So I got those. Then I also got, this is like a chopping board, cheese platter, and it's that serving board, and it's just, I'm trying to remember how much this was, guys, but I think it was $8. Could have been less than that. It wasn't any more though. And I really loved how it had the Christmas trees on the front. Now guys, if you can hear anything, cars do drive past. I'm in my study and sometimes a car will drive past and it comes up on my phone. So yes, beautiful serving boards, and they've got a heap of these in Kmart at the moment, all different styles. So definitely take a look at those rustic serving boards. Now also, I have been on the hunt for a wall hooks. You know, the wall hooks that are really on trend at the moment, where a lot of teenage girls are putting them in their rooms and they're hanging their hats on them. Kmart has two sizes of this. This is the small. This was just $5. And I'm considering, guys, I'm going to stain it, and I'm decorating different rooms in my house, and I want to hang like hats on them. So I'm not sure if I'll stain it yet or maybe just keep it plain, but they were just $5. Now, I've also wanted for a very long time the Christmas gift boxes that they light up, and I haven't had much luck finding them each year. They seem to sell out very quickly. But Kmart bought them in once again, and I got these ones. They're the rustic ones, and they've got the glam silver bow around them. So they're the solar powered Hessian wire presents. Now they had all different colours to choose from, but I went with these ones because I thought they were very rustic glam, and they were $25 for the 3. Now, continuing with my blush pink theme once again, your girl Chelle just does not need another cushion, but Kmart drew me in. Okay, so I picked up this stunning blush pink round cushion. Now, it was just $8. How adorable is it? Now, I do have a few of these already, guys, but I've never had one in blush pink. So, also continuing with the blush pink theme, and these are the softest cushions ever. I got these beautiful fake fur blush pink cushions, and I got a pair of these, guys. Now, I mentioned to you before, I'm still waiting on my new lounge. It's coming hopefully either next week or the beginning of the week after, and I've been buying all these different things for the new lounge, waiting for it to arrive. So my plan is to put these beautiful blush pink cushions on my new lounge, which I'll share with you when I do get it. And then Kmart had the most beautiful range of baskets. Now, if you're after some sort of storage basket, a laundry basket, anything along those lines, definitely check out your local Kmart. They had these beautiful ones. Now, there was the round and there was also square ones of these. Now, if I remember, they were $18 for this. I love anything at the moment that's, you know, has that rustic boho feel about it, but I could pop my glam in by adding a glam cushion. And I think this is super, super cute. Now, that would be it for my haul, guys. I had so much fun shopping at Kmart, and I can't wait to do some decorate with me's, show you some DIYs, what I'm going to do with this stuff, and create some ideas for you, some inspirational ideas when it comes to decorating your home. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Please stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.